Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to explain the chapter A Triumph of Surgery. The Triumph of a Surgery is a story of a dog, Tricky. Tricky was a small dog. His mistress, Pumphrey, pampered him very much. She overfed him. She gave him food rich with fats. Tricky never refused food anytime. He was always greedy for food. He liked cream cakes and biscuits very much. Mrs. Pumphrey gave him cod liver oil and Horlicks. She also gave him wine to drink. This all made Tricky look like a bloated sausage. He became very lazy. He became uninterested in things. He kept lying all day on the carpet. He had some bouts of vomiting. Mrs. Pumphrey thought that he was seriously ill. She called Mr. James Harriot, who was a vet surgeon. Mr. Harriot had already expected this to happen, as he knew that Tricky was suffering because of overeating. He had already made his plans. He took a firm line and said that Tricky must be admitted in the hospital for a fortnight. This suggestion made Mrs. Pumphrey almost swoon. She thought that Tricky could not live even a single day without seeing his mistress. But Mr. Harriot wrapped him in a blanket, took him out of the house, and put him in his car. The departure of Tricky was very pathetic. All the house was aroused. The maids were putting Tricky's things in the car. Everyone was in tears. The doctor took the dog away in his car to the surgery. When Harriot reached his home, the household dogs surrounded him. They sniffed Tricky and showed no interest in him. Till 2 days, Harriot did not give him anything to eat. He gave him a lot of water to drink. Then the doctor started giving him some light food. He gave him no medicine. After 2 days, Tricky has started taking interest in his surroundings. He mixed up with other dogs. He enjoyed being rolled over. He became a member of the gang. At home, he had almost no exercise, but at the surgery, he had lot of exercises and fun. Controlled diet and activities made him active. Mrs. Pumphrey remained anxious about Tricky's health. The doctor told him that he was better and was convalescing. This made her think that he had gone through some surgery. So she sent 2 dozens of fresh round eggs, wine and brandy for him daily so that he might recover soon. But the doctor did not give those things to him because he really did not need this type of diet. The doctor and his partners enjoyed those eggs, wine and brandy. After a fortnight, Mrs. Pumphrey came to collect Tricky. She was tense and worried. She did not hope that he was all right. But when the doctor brought Tricky, he jumped at once into Mrs. Pumphrey's arms. She was surprised to see all this. She said that it was a victory of surgery. ये जो स्टोरी है ट्रायम्फ ऑफ सर्जरी, मतलब सर्जरी का विजय, ये स्टोरी एक डॉग के बारे में है, ट्रिकी। उसकी मालकिन मिसेस पम्फ्री उसको हमेशा खाने के लिए देती रहती है और डॉग भी बड़ा लालची रहता है, जो हर समय जो भी मिलता है खा लेता है। इसका रिज़ल्ट ये होता है कि डॉग बहुत ही ज़्यादा फैटी हो जाता है, जिसके कारण वो अब इतना फैटी हो जाता है कि ठीक तरह से चल फिर भी नहीं सकता है। इससे वो एक मोटापे बीमारी का शिकार हो जाता है और अंत में खाना पीना भी बंद कर देता है। तब जाकर मालकिन मिसेस पम्फ्री उसको इलाज के लिए डॉक्टर को बुलाती है। जेम्स हैरियट जो डॉक्टर रहते हैं वो उसके कंडीशन को देखकर समझ जाते हैं और उसको तुरंत अपने साथ हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती करने की सलाह देते हैं। अपने साथ उसे ले जाते हैं जहाँ पर वो उसको प्रॉपर डाइट देते हैं और केवल डाइट के कारण ही वो डॉग ठीक हो जाता है। मिसेस पम्फ्री जब वो हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड रहता है तब भी ट्रिकी के बारे में चिंतित रहती है और उसके खाने के लिए ढेर सारा सामान भेजती रहती है। लेकिन मिस्टर हैरियट जो रहते हैं वो कभी सामान उस डॉग को ट्रिकी को नहीं देते हैं। उस चीज़ का इस्तेमाल वे खुद या उनके यहाँ काम करने वाले अदर्स लोग करते हैं। अंत में ट्रिकी बिल्कुल ठीक हो जाता है और मिसेस पम्फ्री जब उसको लेने आती है तो वो कहती है कि ये क्या है, ये एक तरह से सर्जरी का विजय है। ये इस चैप्टर का समरी है। थैंक यू।